In 1932, Australia found itself in an unexpected war against emus. Yes, you heard that right. Thousands of giant flightless birds took on the Australian military and won. After World War I, Australian soldiers were given farmland in Western Australia. But by the early 1930s, they faced two major problems: severe drought and an invasion of 20,000 emus, destroying their crops. The desperate farmers turned to the government for help, and in response, the military sent soldiers with machine guns. Led by Major G.P.W. Meredith, the army planned to wipe out the emus quickly, but the birds had other ideas. It turns out, emus are shockingly good at avoiding gunfire. They ran in zigzag patterns, outran the soldiers, and even seemed to take turns being shot at while the others escaped. The emus were impossible to defeat. If we had a military division with their ability to face machine guns, it would be unstoppable. After weeks of failed attacks and wasting thousands of bullets, the military admitted defeat. The emus had won. The war ended with fewer than 1,000 birds killed, while the rest marched on, quite literally. And so, the Great Emu War of 1932 remains one of history's most bizarre conflicts, where an army of birds outmaneuvered human soldiers and claimed victory. And believe it or not, emus are still protected in Australia today. So, if you ever see one, maybe don't challenge it to a fight. If you find this content enjoyable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.